I want to be full-time bullish today. I don't got too much to say. This is the first present fair value gap, June 10th, 2025, after 9:30. Presented itself right here. On the 15-minute time frame, we have an open busy right here. Price left open, the lower half. I would like to see price come into this 940 high right here. And then come into this London high right here on the 5-minute time frame, coming inside this 15-minute fair value gap, which is 100 pips. It's also an open 15-minute fair value gap. Right here. That price came up to Jordan London session, but I'm not interested because I want to be full-time bullish and the overall trend is bullish. And the only time I would like to see this low get filled, also this fair value gap, is if price comes sweep 7 o'clock low and this London low right here on a 1-minute time frame. That's the only time I would like to be interested into these lows, if price comes to these minor sell side liquidity. But beside that, I want to be full-time bullish, making price come into the 4-hour fair value gap, coming into the 15-minute fair value gap, taking out the 5-minute buy side liquidity on London high. So with that being said, I love how price respected the first present fair value gap. As you can see, price left the lower half open. It also treated the 15-minute fair value gap as an inversion, leaving the lower half open, the lower portion of it open, and going up. And I want to aim for this London buy side liquidity right here. So I don't got too much to say. And yeah, that's what I would like to see. And it's just 9:50 just started. Micro time just started. We're gonna see what 9:50 does. What this micro time does. So far so good. I like what price is doing right now. Let me go on the 15-second time frame. At 9:45, look at price respected the first present fair value gap. At 9:46. Also, I like how price treated this as an inversion fair value gap, leaving the lower half open on a 15-second time frame. This is an inversion fair value gap, which price left the lower half open, then peaked the top of the first present fair value gap, and then not coming down to it at all, then pushing back up to enter this minor buy side liquidity right here on the 15-second time frame. I'm not interested at 7 o'clock low and the 4 o'clock low, 5 a.m. low. I'm not interested of seeing those two get filled because my full-time bias is bullish. The only time I would like to see these two get filled if price do a reversal, sweeping the 9:30 low right here, and coming into this 15-minute fair value gap. Then I would like to aim for this low right here at 3 a.m. London session, which is this right here. This minor sell side right here. Look at these relative equal lows. But I'm not interested of seeing price come to this low this low or this low right now. All I want to see is price go up into this high and this high. And as you can see, price is playing it's playing in my favor right now, as you can see. Alright, so price took out the high on 15-second time frame. It's 9:53. Floating how many pips? We floating 50 pips right now. So this right here could be a partial at 58 pips. And this is the middle approach line on the 4-hour fair value gap. This is the middle approach line right here. So this can be a partial. And after that, you can let a runner go until this high right here, which is 100 pips on the dot. Can you guys hear me? Alright, you guys can hear me? Just checking. I'm trying to fix my screen. Okay, I like how price came down into the 15-second inversion fair value gap. Doing I mentioned before, when price respected it right here at 946. I like at 957 how price came down to it. Respected the lower half, came down to the first present fair value gap of today, 0610 1025, and I want to see how does it react to it. I want to see price I want to see price react to it by going to the upside, leaving the lower half open and leaving the lower half of the first person variable gap open, and taking out this minor buy side, these two right here, and then coming up into this 5 minute um sell side liquidity right here. Yes, I like to see. Yes. All right, I think now it's good. Yes, I would like this 15-minute fair value gap to get filled. Going to 5 minute time frame. And I like this high to get taken out, the 5 minute high. And I like this 15-minute CB to get filled. And if price do gonna come lower into 7 o'clock low, and if price do close under this minor buy side liquidity, then I would aim for these highs right here at London. I mean these lows right here at London. But as of right now, I want to be bullish and I want to see these highs get taken out. And now it's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock this form. And right now we just wait, chat. We just wait and just let price do what it do. Alright, it's 10:01. I love how price respected the 15-second fair value gap. I love that shit, bro. I love how I treat this like an inversion fair value gap twice. It not even at 9:46, but even at 9:55 and 9:57. And then it also respected a first present fair value gap of today, leaving the lower half open. As you can see, if you put the Fibonacci to the low and to the high, if the first present fair value gap, look how price fell to come to the 0.5 approach level. Like that shit. And just all I'm looking for, man. All I'm looking for is these highs to get taken out. This London high. That's all I'm looking for. Price treating this 4 hour fair value gap middle line as a speed bump. What I mean when I say a speed bump is it's gonna take a while for price to come over that speed bump. It's gonna take out these highs eventually, but it's gonna take not a while, but it's gonna fight it. It's gonna be fighting it for a while because the 4-hour time frame is a strong PDRA because there's a bigger time frame, and before price just come up and take out the middle approach line on the 4-hour fair value gap, is gonna try to fight it, so it's gonna take a little time, but eventually it's gonna get through it and come inside this high right here. So that's why I'm just being patient, and I know what I'm looking for. And if price was to come back down, taking out these sell side, this minor sell side right here, and take out this sell side, it just do. And I was just wrong on direction. And if it do take out this sell side right here on the first hour, on the first percent right gap, if it do take out this sell side right here and come down right here, I know what I'm looking for next. But I don't even see price coming down into this first percent right gap and taking out this low. I just don't. I don't see price doing that right now. On ES, it's also bullish too. If you take out the Fibonacci, you placed it on the 730 wick right here. Look how price respected the 0.5 red, the approach line right here at 915. You feel me? So even though you don't see no fair value gap on ES, you can still use the Fibonacci and use the wicks as PDRAs. This is wrong. Interest right here actually. At the lower half is the first one for right gap. Price doing all this because it's something on the 15-second time frame that's making it do all that. Now price is treating this like an inversion right here. But it can also come back down, back into this. It didn't probably shoot up, but we're gonna keep our eye on this right here. Okay, treated this like an inversion. We respected the lower half. Now I want to say take out this minor sell side liquidity on the 15-second time frame. And they come up and take out this. Then when price do take out this high and this high, it should be no more back and forth. It should shoot up right into this fair value gap right here. No cap. I'm still full time bullish. I still want to see this trade play out to the upside, even though it's doing all this back and forth. That's what price do to try to stop out traders and try to scare traders out they trade. But people like me is disciplined enough to hold a trade and not give a fuck what price do. We just sticking to the bias. We submitting ourselves to the bias. We're not no back and forth trader saying, "Oh shit, let me take my partial out. Let me get out this trade." Nah, nigga. I don't care what price do. As long as it don't stop us out, we Gucci, man. No cap. I'm gonna take out this right here. I don't like having that on the screen. It's 10:10 right now. As long as price don't come back down and close under this fib right here, under this low, we is Gucci, man. And as you can see, 10:10 sitting price high as fuck. 10:10 is sitting price high as fuck. And that's what you like to see. These highs get taken out. Okay, price want to take out this high, and then I wanted to take out this high right here. Okay, take it out, chat. Take it out. 1, 2, 3. Take it out. And wait for the next one.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to
Float in 35 pips. You're going to take partial at this high, which is 50 pips. Okay, now let's see if price don't not let's see, but I don't want to see the 5 minute candle or the 1 minute candle close out of this purple shaded area box. In trading form, I don't want to see price close outside the 4 hour fair value gap. I don't want to see price close under this 4 hour fair value gap. Now, on the 1 minute, it can. And okay, on the 1 minute, I'm gonna give it time. I'm gonna give it space. It probably can close under this, but I don't want it to. But on the 5 minute, I definitely don't want to see price close under this purple shaded area. I don't want to see it close under this at all. I don't want to see it keep on going up. It's back at this high again. I want to see it take out this minor buy side right here, then come up to this. Price leaving the lower half open once again. Price respected this lower half once again. What's up, Tabs? What's up, bro? Drop a Let me see a comment if you can hear me. I even know I had someone watching me right now. Let me see if you can hear me. Tabs, whatever your shit is. Okay, chat. Leaving the lower half open. I told you I don't want to see price close under the 4 hour fair value gap, and you see it failed to close under it, and the 5 minute is pushing up. On the 15 second time frame, price ran to the liquidity side. I don't need that no more, and now we aiming for this side right here, which is this high right here, and then we're gonna aim for this high right here, which is this right here. Just like that, chat. Just like motherfucking that easy, man. Now price is going to be treating this like an inversion for value gap. I don't want to see the bodies close under that yellow for value gap. I want to see price leave the lower half open. I want to see price leave this lower half open. As you can see, it came down, left the lower half still open. The wicks just did damage, but the body to the story. So, and then if you put the candlestick on this wick right here, look how the bodies all respected the 0.5 level. Like, it don't get no easier than this, chat. It don't get no easier than this. I ain't gonna lie, it doesn't. The 1030 silver bullet is creeping up, chat. The 1030 silver bullet was right here. This is the 1030 silver bullet. The 1030 silver bullet, chat. 20 pips. 20 pips, chat. We're gonna go for this for the new viewers right here. This is for the new viewers. This is the 1030 silver bullet. The 1030 silver bullet. Mind you, this trade been active since the 950 micro, since right here. But this is the 1050. This is the 1030 silver bullet. It just activated. I can't be wrong now. I can't be wrong, and it can come back down and then come back up. But as long as they don't come back down into these lows right here, because this is where I enter that. You feel me? But we're gonna see if this 1030 silver bullet play out. There's another entry for you guys. Don't take my word now. Do not copy my trades. Do not copy my trades. Please don't copy my trades. Just listen to what I'm saying. Go on your charts and listen. And as you can see, I told you guys I don't want to see price close below this 4-hour fair value gap, and price never close above it, below it. And this is supposed to be green. For the new viewers on here, I like price to come into this 15-minute fair value gap, and then I would like price to take out this 5-minute London high, and then this Asia high right here. So right now I'm full-time bullish. As you can see, the first present fair value gap was formed right here at 9:35, and I like how I left a 15-second fair busy lower half open, sending price higher at 9:57 during the micro time. As you can see, price is raging right now, but don't worry, it's just trying to stop out all the traders that's going on. It's just trying to scare them away. But if you discipline, you're gonna hold your trade until take profit or take your stop loss. So as you can see, we still full-time bullish. We want to see this minor buy side get filled, and then we want to see this high get filled right here. This high inside the 15-minute fair value gap. Drop a 1 in the chat. Drop a 1 in the chat if you guys can hear me. Drop a 1 in the chat if you guys can hear me. Okay, price trading this 15-second as an inversion. It's 1024. This is the 1030 silver bullet, chat. The 1030 silver bullet. Remember how I told you guys the 1 minute can close under this, but I definitely don't want to see the 5-minute close under it. And look at this. This ain't close under it. This ain't close under it. Nor this one is going to close under it. and that's good indication. Okay, chat. As you can see, treated this 15 second as an inversion for value gap. Okay, chat. As you can see, treated this 15 second as an inversion. You treated this like an inversion for value gap. Okay, came back down to it one more time. This is the 1030 silver bullet. The 1030 silver bullet, chat. So if you guys not going longs right now, I advise you guys to go long. Let's see what ES doing. Okay, ES is gonna come take out these highs right here. I'm telling you guys, this is a 1030 silver bullet. Stop playing crazy. $10.30 silver bullet. I like price to take out this minor buy side right here. If price do drop any lower, I don't want to see it come below this 0.5 Fibonacci level right here. I still want to see price go higher. I don't give a fuck what price do. I want to see it go higher. This shit need to help me play out so I can end this fucking video. I don't want it to be so long. Yes, 1030 silver bullet is now forming. If you guys did not go long, I advise you guys to go long. And this is not a signal chat. This is not a signal room. I don't give out signals. I just tell you guys what I think the market gonna do and what it's going to do. And I want you guys to get on you guys' charts and do the same thing I'm doing so you guys can see it yourself and don't take my word for it. Once again, do not take my word for anything. Price can do the absolutely opposite thing I'm saying price is gonna do. And I don't want you guys getting mad at me. You feel me? In the comment section, no none of that. So do not take my trades. I'm just telling you guys this is when the 1030 silver bullet form. And just because it's going to be 1030, that don't mean, oh, it forms at 1030 every day. No. I just know this is like it's building at since 1010 after the macro ended. It's been building the 1030 silver bullet. It's just been building it. You feel me? To come take out this high, and it come into 5-minute London high, which is right here at 105. And then come inside this 15-second fair value gap. And with that being said, I'm done talking. We're going to see what price do. Okay, price treated this. That's an inversion for value gap. The 1010 BISI treated this like an inversion for value gap for the last time. Now I don't want to see it come back down no more. And now I would like to see it come back up into this buy side and then this buy side right there. And on the 5 minute, I told you guys I don't want to see it close under this 4 hour for value gap. I don't want to see it close below the 4 hour for value gap bottom area. And as you can see, it never did that on the 5 minute time frame. I told you it can do that on the 1 minute, but the 5 minute I don't want to see at all. And you can go back like 5-10 minutes in the video and you'll see me repeat what I just said. No cap in my rap. Okay, to get a minor buy side on the 1 minute time frame. Now I want to see the other one to get filled right here. Chat. This is the end of the video for YouTube, but I'm still gonna be streaming on Twitch. So if you guys, when I stop this video right now at 10:32 on YouTube, if you guys want to see the rest of the video, go on Twitch. The link is gonna be in the description. Go on Twitch and you guys can finish watching the whole video, because I hate making an hour videos on YouTube. I don't like that. So with that being said, I'm gonna approach you guys tomorrow on Wednesday, June 11th, 2025.